ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung ating flagship product. We call it also the miracle product. Ito po ang ating JC Organic Barley. Let me just give you fast facts. Dito po sa barley natin, it is good for heart health because barley contains soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucans, which have been linked to improve heart health. Beta-glucans can help lower bad cholesterol or LDL cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. So ito po ay isang nutritional supplement na galing po sa grass, and at the same time, itong grass na ina-harvest natin mula sa New Zealand is between 20 to 30 centimeters po yung laki. Nandun po yung optimum nutrient content ng barley. And another fast fact is this. Did you know that barley is also good for people who have high sugar levels? Maganda po to sa mga diabetes na rin kasi the dietary fiber in barley, including beta-glucans, can also help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose. This can be beneficial para sa mga taong diabetic o mataas ang tsansang magkaroon ng diabetes. And it is also good for digestive health, it is also good for weight management, and it's also good for reducing the risk of chronic disease dahil meron po siyang chlorophyll, which is a potent antioxidants, and phytochemicals including lignan that are associated to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as certain types of cancer at cardiovascular disease. It is also beneficial para sa pagtulong na mag-function ng tama ang ating mga bituka. Kaya karamihan po sa mga umiinom ng ating JC Organic Barley ay nakakatulong po sa kanilang constipation, ika nga. Sa pagpapalakas ng ating bones and teeth, ayan po, kasi meron din siyang high source of minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium na napaka-importante po ng tatlong yan sa pag-maintain po ng strong and healthy bones. Ganito to complete our demo. Yung energy test kit natin, guys, you have to be careful sa pag-handle nitong energy test kit, okay? So lalagyan po natin yung 3 baso ng equal amounts of distilled water. Ayan po, equal amounts of distilled water, okay? Etong mga tubig na to, that represents the body system. Ito yung energy test kit natin. Pag naka-on yan or may conductivity or may energy,